Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Shopify API key. This key is essential for connecting your store with other services or custom tools, allowing them to read or write data. We'll walk through creating a custom app in your Shopify admin, which is the primary method to generate these unique credentials. The entire process takes only a few minutes to complete. First, log into your Shopify store's admin panel. Once inside, look for Settings in the bottom left corner and click on it. From the Settings menu, select Apps and Sales Channels. You'll then see an option to develop apps. Click this. If it's your first time, you'll need to click Allow Custom App Development to proceed, confirming your understanding of the terms. Next, click the Create an App button. You'll be prompted to give your new custom app a recognizable name and select an app developer, usually yourself or a staff member. This is a crucial step. After naming it, you must configure the admin API scopes. Carefully choose the permissions your app needs, granting only the minimum required access to ensure your store's data remains secure. Finally, install your newly configured custom app. Upon installation, Shopify will generate and display your unique API key, password, and a crucial access token. Remember, the access token is shown only once, so copy it immediately and store it securely. These credentials grant access to your store's data, so treat them with the utmost care, just like any other sensitive password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.